Hi, my name's David. I'm going to be doing a science experiment in chemistry. So here I have a bunch of science materials and ingredients. So the experiment is called Put Out That Fire, and materials: test tube. I have baking soda and a spoon with tea candle here. Just some vinegar and a match, which we don't really have matches, so you're gonna use a lighter. And second of all, adult supervision is a must. You have to have someone to help you doing something like this, and let's get right into it. So, the first thing you need is to place the tea candle on a fireproof surface, so the plate is best we got. And ask an adult to light your candle. But I think I can just do this. So okay. Continue it. So I'm lighting the candle here. There we go. That aside for now. And second of all, you need to fill the test tube halfway with vinegar. So here we have the test tube. Open it, get the vinegar. Actually, I have a more efficient way to do this. I'm going to pour it into here, and then I'm going to pour it into the test tube, because it has a thingy for beaker. That's about halfway. So then, part 3 is you add a spoonful of baking soda to the test tube, which you all know is probably going to explode. Going to add it into here. Be careful. Hope it doesn't explode all of a sudden. It should go. I kind of want to do this quick so it doesn't, so I just want to do it quick. I need to hold it open though. Starting to bubble up. Fill it a bit. It's actually not exploding like I expected it to. I'm gonna put that over there for now. It's gonna explode later, so after a few seconds the one will subside. So okay, tilt the test tube toward the candle's flame, it says. So look. Fire's actually making the, wow. I did not know that fire could do that. Wow. Vinegar's actually putting out the fire. So, yeah. That's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I didn't know that vinegar could do that, and baking soda. So, in the fire, that was just cool and weird. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button. Comment down below what you guys want me to do next, and yeah, bye.